Hogz. Let's ride. What's up, everyone? We are getting ready to take off on our final leg here, heading back home. Pretty exciting adventure this time, going to Arkansas. We have a fun little adventure to kind of end the day, and you can see this right here behind me. Yeah, it's not going to look like a lot from camera angle, but it is pretty steep, and it's also loose gravel, which is always kind of fun. And then you come to a blind corner right here, so I'll be the person to flag down, making sure that we stop traffic and stuff before we take off. And yeah, we're going to be taking Highway 12 up to Fayetteville, and then jumping over onto 412 heading into Oklahoma so we can get back home. But yeah, it's been a wonderful trip. It's awesome. Check out the house that we stayed in. Pretty sick, beautiful. We had a wonderful time too as well. Mild Hogz, just love you to death. You guys are all amazing people, and thank you so much for letting us be a part of this with you. It's been an amazing, awesome time. So here we go. We're getting ready to take off. Let's go.
Talking about taking corners and
that's exactly what we were talking about.
Yeah, we're doing there.
And you went right in front of us.
Yeah,
we were just talking about it on the video, talking about how to take corners.
You know, when I was in junior, that's where I got that. I got a nickname Head when I was in school.
We gotta move it. We stopped at Casey's. We got split up. Shannon's enjoying her energy Starbucks corner meal. What is it?
Double shot.
Double shot. But we are at As you can see, Casey's. And we are now getting ready to be over the Oklahoma line here and heading back home. So here we go.
Let's go.
We'll see ya on the other side. I already put my toe in it and it melted off. No?
Better than your butthole, I guess.
I guess it's better than my butthole.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, I mean, thank you to the YouTube world.
Yeah,
right? Like,
yeah.
Makes our world so much smaller.
This is probably the size of a normal Snickers bar. What do you think? A little fatter. This is gonna go south.
This is going south really quick.
Rolled into Arkansas, thinking we were bold. Heard them hot springs waters could fix what's old. Signs all said healing, steam in the air, but nobody wonders what could happen down there. I stepped in slow, said, boys, this ain't bad. Then my big toe hollered like it had done been had. Somebody laughed, somebody slipped, somebody yelled.